Good afternoon, one and all. Respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I am standing in front of you to say some words about an ideal student. An ideal student means one who studies some subjects. Curiosity is the most important quality in a good student. A good student should be intelligent also. A good or ideal student must try to develop himself physically, emotionally, and mentally. A good or ideal student sound hands, sound heart, and sound mind. An ideal student Thank you.